How can sugar be removed from a gas tank?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a sticky situation: how to remove sugar from a gas tank. This is a problem that can cause serious issues for your vehicle if not dealt with correctly. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step.
What happens when sugar is in the gas tank?
Before we dive into the solution, let's first understand why sugar in a gas tank is a problem. Contrary to popular belief, sugar doesn't dissolve in gasoline, but instead it sinks to the bottom of your gas tank. When the fuel pump sucks up the sugar-laden fuel, it can clog up the fuel filter, the fuel pump, or even the fuel injectors, leading to a poorly running or non-functioning vehicle.
Can I remove the sugar by myself?
Next, you might be wondering if this is a problem you can solve on your own. The answer is a cautious yes, but only if you're comfortable with basic car maintenance tasks. If not, it's safer to bring your vehicle to a professional mechanic.
How to remove sugar from the gas tank?
To remove sugar from your gas tank, you're going to need a few things: a siphoning kit, a new fuel filter, possibly a new fuel pump or fuel injectors, safety gear, gloves and goggles. Here are the steps. 1. Firstly, disconnect the battery. This is an important safety step when working on any part of a vehicle. 2. Locate and remove the fuel pump fuse. This will prevent the fuel pump from operating while you're siphoning the gasoline out of the tank. 3. Siphon the gasoline out of the gas tank. You'll use your siphoning kit for this. Remember, gasoline is a toxic and flammable substance, so be sure to do this in a well-ventilated area and away from any flames or sparks. 4. Remove and replace the fuel filter. This is usually straightforward, but the process can vary depending on your vehicle's make and model. You may need to refer to your vehicle's service manual. 5. Inspect the fuel pump and fuel injectors. If they're clogged with sugar, they may need to be replaced. 6. Once the sugar is removed and all parts are replaced as necessary, reconnect the fuel pump fuse and the battery. Then, you can refill the tank with clean gasoline. Removing sugar from a gas tank can be a bit of a chore, but it's crucial to saving your vehicle from potential damage. Remember, if you're ever in doubt or uncomfortable doing these steps yourself, it's best to consult a professional. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through this process. Drive safely.